MindManager Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing MindManager, a powerful mind mapping and project management software that helps you organize ideas, manage tasks, and collaborate effectively. Links to the product are in the description below. MindManager is designed for professionals, teams, and individuals who need a structured way to organize their thoughts, plan projects, and streamline workflows. It's ideal for anyone looking to visualize complex information, whether you're managing a team, brainstorming ideas, or planning personal projects. The software lets you create mind maps, flowcharts, Gantt charts, and other visual diagrams that help break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand structures. The user interface is intuitive, with drag-and-drop functionality that makes building and organizing your mind maps simple. You can also add hyperlinks, notes, tasks, and attachments directly to the map, making it a one-stop solution for organizing information. One of the standout features is the ability to convert mind maps into project plans, with built-in tools for task management, timeline tracking, and progress monitoring. MindManager also integrates with popular software like Microsoft Office, SharePoint, and Google Drive, making it easy to import and export documents. This level of integration enhances collaboration and ensures that your work stays aligned with your team or organization's existing tools. You can also collaborate in real time with others, making it a great choice for team-based projects. The software offers both desktop and web versions, with cross-platform syncing, so you can work from anywhere. MindManager is suitable for both individual users who want to organize personal projects and large teams that need advanced project management capabilities. However, it's worth noting that the pricing can be a bit steep, so it may not be the best choice for casual users or those on a tight budget. Overall, MindManager is an excellent tool for anyone who needs to visualize and manage complex projects or ideas. It's powerful, versatile, and an invaluable asset for boosting productivity. If you're looking to stay organized and efficient, I highly recommend giving MindManager a try. For more details, check out the link in the description below.